Tandaan po natin, Jesus never discriminated people. He never discriminated against people. In the language of today's youth, Jesus never canceled everyone, or Jesus never canceled anyone. During their day, tax collectors were considered enemies of the Jewish people. Matthew was considered a sinner. Parang wala na ring pag-asa. They were hated by everyone, and they got canceled as sinners. But Jesus saw beyond the reputation of Matthew. Jesus saw Matthew's heart. Alam niyo po, people tend to judge us by our appearance, by our economic status, by our educational background. But remember, God sees our heart. Hindi tayo hinuhusgahan ng Diyos at hindi tayo ine-echapuwera. Lagi tayong tinatanggap at tinatawag.